ora!
Kia ora! Welcome to
Reading Time with Loopy Tunes.
Yeah! Alright, here's our book.
Ngā KAHUMOE o NGÄRU, which
The
means
cat's pyjamas. Or the pyjamas of the cat.
written by Foreman and translated into Māori by Katarina Mataira. Thank you, guys. So we're reading the Māori version, obviously, today. But let's welcome you first. No mai kia koutou kei te wehe a koutou. Welcome everyone, how are you? No mai kia koutou kei te wehe a koutou. Ko te wā nui me te waiata. It's time to read and sing. Yay! Leah's reading today. I'm reading today. So here we have the cat sleeping in his pyjamas. KAHUMOE. Let's have a look. Ko te NGÄRU tēnei. This is the cat. Ko ia nei hoki ona KAHUMOE.
His pyjamas. He's carrying them so nicely, isn't he?
And he's going to put them away nicely.
In his drawer.
Probably. Hei te rāhina mau ai a te NGÄRU I ona KAHUMOE ātea.
It's Monday.
And he's put his space pyjamas on. Let's have a look, see what happens. Ka moea tana moe moe a, rērere haere I runga waka ātea. What's a waka ātea, Seal?
The rocket ship.
Rocket ship. Ki te marama. To the, where's the moon? Oh, there? There you go. Let's say that's the moon. To the moon. Ke pare aro, sorry. Ke mata whero. Ke ngā whetū o te rangi. So the planets, some of the planets and the stars. So we went on a big adventure in space.
During his dream.
During his dream. See, he's sleeping. He moe moe a ātea, tino reka rawa mo te NGÄRU I te pō. What's this? This is the next day. Hei te rā tū on Tuesday. Mau ai a te NGÄRU I ona KAHUMOE moana.
Ooh.
So what pyjamas has he got on? It's a sea pyjamas. You can see all the fish and whale. Ka moea tana moe moe a mō ngā toho rā hiku piu piu mō ngā honu mō ngā tuna me ngā kēkeno tiemi. Look at that seal. And you can see the turtles and the fish. What else can you see? What's octopus in Māori, Seal?
Wheke.
Wheke. There's a
Supposed to be
wheke.
8.
He moe moe a moana tino reka rawa mo te NGÄRU I te pō. He had a really great dream. See, look, he's sleeping so quietly. Hei te rāapa, mau ai a te NGÄRU I ona KAHUMOE māra.
Wednesday.
Different pyjamas on Wednesday. Looks like a garden. Let's see what happens in the garden. Ka moea tana moe moe a, while he was sleeping and in his dreams, mō ngā huarākau ngoto ngoto. So many fruits. Mō ngā pīrorohu tino momona. Bees. The pea, all the little bees are huge. Mō ngā manu tiororo, you can see all the birds. Me te poraka runga toka. Poraka. What's a poraka, Seal?
Croak. Frog. I was trying to say croak. Croak.
He moe moe a māra tino reka rawa mo te NGÄRU I te pō. Oh, next day. Hei te rāpare. What day is rāpare, Seal?
Thursday.
Thursday. Mau ai te NGÄRU I ona KAHUMOE huarahi. Ooh, look at that.
Cool.
Lots of trucks and stuff. Let's have a look what his dreams are going to be this time. Ka moea tana moe moea mo te wakakawe whero te tai. So a red truck. There you go. Mo te wakakeri rahi rawa. A big digger. He trakiana. Tractor. He pahikara. He motoka. Me te motopaika tere rawa.
Ooh, it's a fast motorbike.
A fast motorbike. So it's going vroom ahead of everybody else. He moe moea huarahi tino reka rawa mo te NGÄRU I te pō. Hei te rāmere, mau ai a te NGÄRU I ona KAHUMOE ngahere. Look at that. Ka moea tana moe moea mo te makimaki. What's a makimaki?
It's Leah.
Can we find a makimaki?
A monkey.
Me te arewhana. Can anyone see the elephant? There it is. Massive. Mo te porete. Te pūrerehua. Where's the butterfly? Oh, there it is. Te kakiroa me te hiamoe. All of them tired. He moe moe a ngahere tino reka rawa mo te NGÄRU I te pō. Hei te rāhoroi. What day is rāhoroi?
Saturday, my
Saturday.
favourite day.
So he wears different pyjamas every day of the week. Wow. Mau ai tere a te NGÄRU I ona KAHUMOE rangi.
Oh.
All these things that zoom around in the sky. Let's have a look what his dreams are going to be. Ka moea tana moe moea mo hina marama kiritea. There's the moon over here. Mo ngā poiho puku hauwera. What's that, Seal?
Hot air balloon.
Hot air balloon. It's a big one. Mo te wakatopatopa. Oh, we like wakatopatopas. Ngā manu tukutuku me ngā rerenga haruru. All these flying planes all around the place.
Noisy planes.
He moe moe a rangi tino reka rawa mo te NGÄRU I te pō. Still sleeping soundly.
It sleeps.
Hei te rātapu, mau ai a te NGÄRU I ona KAHUMOE tipua. What's he got on his pyjamas? Monsters. Me tana oho tonu mo te katoa o te pō.
Oh.
Doesn't look like he slept that night.
He didn't want to sleep. He's scared.
Kia moe hoki I tana parakuihi. Oh man! He fell asleep in his breakfast because he stayed up all night because he was too scared to go to sleep. He had his monster pyjamas on. The end. How cute was that?
Oh, Piwari. Very, very
Cute book.
Alright. Because he likes to do a lot of sleeping, we thought we'd pair it up with our sleeping teddy bear, who loves sleeping. And this teddy bear always does a lot in his sleep. Likes to jump.
Gets up and jumps.
And spin. And fly.
Fly.
So if you want to join us at home, you can go down, have a moe now. Have a little moe in your bed.
Moe moe tēti pea. Moe moe a. Moe moe tēti pea. Moe moe a.
Ready to wake up, guys. Do some jumping.
Peke peke tēti
KAHUMOE o te NGÄRU. Oh, it's actually ngā KAHUMOE o te NGÄRU. And have an awesome week and enjoy wearing cool pyjamas this week. Yay! Have
Ka
awesome
kite.
dreams too. Ka kite.